Welcome. In this video I will show you how to read your ride history on Garmin 540. So first of all, we're gonna have to scroll a bit down until we reach the history tile, then press option key and select which history we want to check. So if we want to check the history of the rides, select the first option. Here you'll see all the rides that you performed with your device on your bike, mounted on your bike. In all activities we can of course check all the activity types, and in totals we can check the overall statistics for our device. We can also erase them by tapping the trash bin icon in the same menu. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.